Automatic cursor positioning in Pycharm. When running your program in Pycharm, and you have an input function in the code such as input, type true or false. Is there a configuration setting or something to have the cursor automatically go into the console instead of having to always click in them manually?
Here is a workaround: enable floating mode in the console. The cursor will go there when the program runs. Note, you can hide the floating console with Shift plus Escape.
This is a very simple workaround. It does not automatically place the cursor correctly. That being said, Alt-4 will correctly place the cursor in the run window. No mouse click required. To run the program, Shift F10. Then to move focus to console, Alt-4.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.